Over the past 22 years since the establishment of Shungji factory, we have witnessed the rapid development of Chinese CFC, carbon fiber composites, and carbon fiber industry. More than 20 years ago, Chinese products relied on the imported raw yarn. The weaving process followed the famous foreign brand. Due to the lack of experience and related data of foreign furnace as reference, it took a roundabout course when we developed the overseas market. 10 years ago, many factories introduced foreign machining technology, especially focused on the research of CFC screw and CFC machine products. After 22 years of research and development, we have more series and forming process of products, such as piece-based, pan-based, rolling-based, composite forming, integrated forming, long fiber, short fiber, and so on. We not only have various kinds of products, but also the quality is getting better and better. More importantly, we have accumulated domestic and foreign experience and can provide guidance for customer use. With the gradual maturity of Chinese products, Shungji set up the vacuum furnace business division in 2018, composed of vacuum furnace design and material experts with more than 10 years of experience, which can provide customers at home and abroad with. From the design, assembly, selection of internal heating elements, and thermal insulation material to installation after-sales service, we keep long-term and stable relationship with advanced foreign vacuum furnace manufacturer. We provide customers with one-stop services, including vacuum furnace equipment production, sales, after-sales, maintenance, transformation, training, and parts replacement services. Applications include protective liners, MIMO, solar technology, vacuum metallurgy, non-oxide ceramic production, chemical industry new material. Shungji are full of enthusiasm for customers and are always concerned about customer needs. We create value for customers through continuous innovation and improvement to achieve win-win results.